Ndakonda iweyo, ndikatseka maso ndungowona iweyo, ndikagona kulotanso ungokhala iweyo. Ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo, ndikatseka maso ndungowona iweyo, ndikagona kulotanso ungokhala iweyo. Ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo. How would you feel if all you had left in your heart was just an image of the one you know you love? There ain't no other one like this. Thinking, wishing we could revisit the very first instance where our existence came into conflict and be trapped inside that bliss. I've been in love but not like this. You've been the one like ever since we shared that kiss. I hate it when a distance gets in between us. Palibe, wina, amene, amandifika. I think it's safe to say Ndakonda iweyo, ndikatseka maso ndungowona iweyo, ndikagona kulotanso ungokhala iweyo. Ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo, ndikatseka maso ndungowona iweyo, ndikagona kulotanso ungokhala iweyo. Ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda iweyo. I think it's safe to say it's fatal destiny. We're made this way, I just can't stay away. It's clear and certainly you're made for me. I don't exaggerate, nothing can separate our bones, they just won't break. The very earth is very worth the roads we took to get to where we at was written to mine, written in stars. Wishing you were mine, man, my broken heart that's filled up with scars. On so many nights I always dream about you, cause you're on my mind. I'm so glad that I found you a value. You're so valuable, can't be without you. How could I breathe when it's just me? It's like I'm nothing without you. All I need is for you to just trust me. Listen, baby, I'm about to bow to your wedding gown. Yeah, we're bound to become a couple. But when you're smiling, see I smile too. Let me elaborate. A song that's to commemorate the value placed all on your memory. A song that's in worship, expressing sincerely all that you meant to me. You mean the world to me. I know you care for me truly. Ndituti muntuti, amene, I choose Ndakonda iweyo, ndikatseka maso ndungowona iweyo, ndikagona kulotanso ungokhala iweyo. Ndakonda iweyo, ndakonda